Welcome to the Barber Time Network Ambassador web app. This is your ambassador profile page. When your patrons scan the QR code from your TV or tablet with their mobile device, they will be directed here. On this page, your patrons can find more information about you, your business, your hours of operation, and even make future appointments. Quick links to your featured curated playlist over here on the right column. Your patrons can find useful resources for even more connections. Your patrons will find the BarberPolls section, where they can place their votes to help support you and your business. Viewers will see quick links to your hairstyle portfolio, where all of your current hairstyle pictures are located for your customers to see and select from. And right next to that is the Grapevine page, where you can learn about all the different events and networking opportunities that are happening in the community. And lastly is a contact form, followed by a client portal login box where you can log in to your ambassador portal in order to capture vital information after your interactions with your customers. Be sure to share this page with all of your patrons and guests so that you can further build upon the connections you have to your community. Until next time, Barber Time all the time.